Hey, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, the go-to space for the latest tech buzz and groundbreaking innovations. Today, we're diving headfirst into the seismic waves that Google's Gemini has just sent through the entire industry. Brace yourselves, because this is a game changer that's leaving everyone in awe. If you thought you knew everything about the tech world, think again. Google's Gemini has just dropped, and it's nothing short of mind-blowing. This revolutionary project is reshaping the landscape and redefining the future. From jaw-dropping features to industry-shaking capabilities, Gemini is setting a new standard that has everyone talking. But what exactly is Gemini, and why is it causing such a stir? In this video, we're going to break down the key elements that make Gemini a true game-changer. We'll explore its cutting-edge technology, mind-boggling functionalities, and the implications it holds for the entire tech industry. Whether you're a tech aficionado or just curious about the latest breakthroughs, you won't want to miss this. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind Google's Gemini and discover why it's sending shockwaves through the industry. If you're as excited as we are about the future of tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive content, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Get ready to be amazed as we embark on this journey into the next frontier of technology with Google's Gemini. The mission of Gemini. At the core of Gemini lies Google's enduring mission, organizing the world's information to make it universally accessible. In response to the escalating challenges of dealing with vast and intricate information, Google has birthed Gemini. It represents a monumental leap toward a truly universal AI model, a system designed to comprehend, process, and respond to information in a manner that aligns seamlessly with human understanding. Multimodality revolution. Gemini's distinction stems from its revolutionary approach to multimodality. It's not merely a convergence of text and vision models. Instead, it's inherently multimodal, enabling fluid conversations across diverse communication modes. This isn't your standard model. Gemini comprehends text, code, audio, images, and videos, turning it into a versatile powerhouse in the realm of artificial intelligence. Capabilities and sizes. The real game changer lies in Gemini's capabilities. As the largest and most adaptable model, Gemini doesn't just match but surpasses others in critical benchmarks across 50 diverse subject areas. Its three distinct sizes: Ultra for complex tasks, Pro for a broad range, and Nano for efficient on-device applications, cater to a spectrum of needs. From mobile devices to expansive data centers, Gemini is ready to tackle challenges with unprecedented efficiency and precision. Responsibility and safety. Responsibility is paramount in Gemini's design. Safety features are not an afterthought, but integrated from the start. Proactive policies and rigorous testing ensure that Gemini addresses potential harms, making it a responsible choice for diverse applications. From research and education to entertainment and beyond, Gemini's impact across products. Beyond benchmarks and capabilities, Gemini's true triumph lies in its versatility. It's not confined to a niche. Rather, it seamlessly integrates into a myriad of products. From mobile devices to robust data centers, each model within the Gemini family stands out as best in class. The potential is limitless, and developers, along with enterprise customers, are poised to unleash creativity in refining Gemini's foundational models for applications that haven't even been imagined yet. Humanizing AI through language. The essence of Gemini extends beyond mere technological prowess. It embodies a vision to infuse AI with a human touch, making it universally beneficial. The power to assimilate information across various modalities aligns with the way humans perceive the world. This evolutionary step, driven by a dedication to Google's mission, holds the promise of enriching lives by providing unparalleled access to information. Challenges and responsible innovation. The journey of innovation is not without challenges. As Gemini ascends to new heights, questions arise. The infusion of images, text, and other modalities into the input stream demands a thoughtful consideration of safety and responsibility. Google DeepMind, the architect behind Gemini, tackles these challenges head-on. Proactive policies, adapted to the unique considerations of multimodal capabilities, coupled with rigorous testing, ensure that the benefits of Gemini are harnessed responsibly. Gemini in action. Now, let's witness the prowess of Gemini in action. The multimodal benchmarks showcase its superiority over existing models in image and video understanding. From deciphering images to answering questions about complex scenarios, Gemini's capabilities shine through. The demonstration of its reasoning abilities in helping plan a birthday party or aiding with homework solidifies its position as an intelligent, versatile companion. Next frontiers. As we delve into the technical intricacies of Gemini, a tantalizing glimpse of the future unfolds. The potential fusion of Gemini with robotics, incorporating touch and tactile feedback, foretells a new era in human-robot interactions. The exploration of next-gen models, reinforced by innovations and rapid advancements, promises a transformative year ahead. Google DeepMind's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible ensures that the journey with Gemini is not just a milestone, but a continuous evolution towards smarter, more capable AI systems. In the exciting landscape of AI, Gemini emerges not just as a model, but as a harbinger of the next wave of innovation, redefining our interaction with technology and paving the way for a future where AI becomes an integral, beneficial part of our lives. Thank you so much for joining us today as we delved into the groundbreaking news that's sending shockwaves through the tech world. Google's Gemini. If you enjoyed this video and found the information valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in the tech universe. What are your thoughts on Google's Gemini? Aren't you as shocked as we are? Share your opinions in the comments below. We love hearing from our tech-savvy community. Stay tuned for more in-depth analyses, breaking news, and exciting updates. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss a moment in the fast-paced world of technology. Connect with us on social media for even more tech insights and behind-the-scenes content. Links are in the description. As always, thank you for being part of our tech journey. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and embrace the future.